Hello student, now we are going to solve a C program. We write a C program by using if-else statement. C program 12. It is a most important program. Our program is write a C program to test whether the accepted year is leap year or not. Check a year which is leap year or not. What is the meaning of leap year? Leap year means a year occurring once every 4 years, which has 366 days. Leap year containing an extra day. It has 366 days instead of the normal 365 days. The extra day is added in February month, which has 29 days instead of the normal 28 days. Okay, leap year occurs every 4 years intervals. Now, what is the mathematical condition of a leap year? A year is leap year. Number one condition, the year is divisible by 4 but not by 100. The year is divisible by 4 but not divisible by 100. Okay, this is the first condition. Or second condition, the year is divisible by 400. Okay, we first discussed the whole program and next run the program. Okay, first we can write title of the program /* program to test for a leap year *. We write the title of the program in your own language. Okay, it is non-executive statement, not affect the program. Normally, we add two header file stdio.h and conio.h. We write header file first, hatch in small letter, include within bracket stdio.h, hatch include within bracket conio.h. Now we write void main. It is the main function of C program. Next, this is the main block, second bracket. Next, int er. Er is the integer variable, semicolon. Here declaration of integer variable er. Next, clr function, semicolon. clr function clear the starting screen after run the program. Okay. Now type printf within bracket within quotation enter a year colon whichever you may write semicolon. Printf function only display this message in your own language. Okay. Next, scanf within bracket within quotation double quotation %d comma ampersand year bracket end semicolon. Scanf function input value of variable years. Okay, this is the control string. D for integer variable because year is the integer variable. Ampersand symbol represent memory location. Okay. Next, we use if else statement. We use if else statement. If within bracket, this is the condition. Next, if condition is fulfilled, if condition is true, then print this statement. This is the true block. Else, if this condition is not fulfilled, if this condition is false, then print this statement. Print this statement. This is the false block. For leap year, first condition is year is divisible by 4 and not divisible by 100. Okay. Year percentage 4 percentage is the modulus operator to get remainder in integer division. This is relational operator, meaning is equal to. So year divisible by 4, remainder equal to 0, and this is the logical operator, meaning is logical AND. Year percentage 100, that means remainder, we find remainder. This is modulus operator to get remainder in integer division. This symbol is not equal to, this symbol is not equal to logical operator, meaning not equal to. So year not divisible by 100, remainder not equal to 0. This is OR operator, logical operator, meaning logical OR. Second condition also, year is divisible by 400, year percentage 400, so remainder equal to 0. This condition or this condition, any is fulfilled. If this condition is correct, if this condition is true, then within bracket, this is 2 block, second bracket, printf within bracket /n, create new line, percentage d means control string, integer variable, d for integer variable, is a leap year, quotation end, comma, year. If this condition is true, then print this message. Okay. Else, if this condition is not true, if this condition is false, then this is the false statement. Else, printf within bracket within quotation /n mean create new line, percentage d control string, d for integer variable, is not a leap year, comma, year bracket end semicolon. If this condition is not correct, then print this statement. Next, we write getCha function semicolon. GetCha function used for hold the output on the screen. Then this is the main block end. Okay, this is the main block begin, this is the main block end. Before end of the main block getCha function, and this is the if else statement. Okay, now we run the program. First, type the program without any mistake. Type whole program without any error. There is no blank space. There is no semicolon. We check semicolon in every line. This line, this line, this line, this line. Check comma. In void main there is no comma and semicolon. There is no comma and semicolon. In if statement there is no comma semicolon. Else there is no comma and semicolon. First we compile the total program. If any mistake, show error, then again correct the program. Next, run the program. First, we click on project. Click on compile. Compile status success, error 0. There is no error. Okay. If any error, we again correct our program. Now click on debug, click on run. Okay, status success. Now enter a year. We type 1900 1900 this year. Enter. 1900 is not a leap year, so it is correct. We again run the program. Click on debug, click on run. Enter a year. Input statement. This is input statement. We type 2000. Okay. Enter. 2000 is a leap year. Okay. It is correct. In such way, we type 2000, 2004, 2008, 2012, 2016, 2020. These are leap year. Okay. It is clear, my student. Thank you.